was a kid, he had this old Nova, and I was barely high enough to see over that window. It started snowing on the ground. We lived in a little town called Daggett, California. It's right outside of Barstow on the way to Vegas on the 15 freeway. Little shithole of a town. Just a small place, you know, but we loved it. We loved it out there. We had a lot of good times in the desert, catching lizards and just doing what kids do. But anyways, back when I was a kid, one fond memory that I have is my dad having a Chevy Nova, and a little bit of snow hit the ground out there in the desert, which was very rare. And he took me out there, and my brother, actually, my brother Greg, he took us out there doing donuts in the desert, in the snow, barely able to see over the window, like I said. And it was one of those memories that will never leave my mind. It always comes up when we talk about cars, or I talk about cars. I think of just burning donuts with my dad and his Nova, and that was one of those good times. So I recently purchased this Audi R8 manual V8, as you can hear. I just love the distinctive sound of this well-balanced R8 V8. People always talk about the V10. I even wanted the V10 at one point, but I just, you know, growing up around V8s and things like that, I just love that sound back there, you know. So anyways, I am on my way to pick up my dad. I promised him a ride in my new R8, and I'm gonna head over there today. That's where we're heading right now, to go grab him and kind of get his reaction of the car. You know, he is that type of person that loves the classics. I love the classics too, but at the same time, I love all cars. I love the lowriders. I love them all. Anybody that takes the time out to appreciate and dial in something that they love, something that has four wheels or even two wheels, that they cruise around the streets, that is just, I have a place in my heart for those type of people, and a respect for the time and effort and money they put into it. So let's head over there. Let's grab my dad, see what he thinks about the R8. I think I'm gonna take him out to lunch and a beer, something like that. There's this place off Highway 247. It's a back road, real long and straight. We can get up to some decent speeds back there, and that will take us to a little place called SlashX. A lot of people that are here locally know SlashX. It's a stop for a lot of off-roaders and people just cruising the back roads. It's an old school bar. They've got good burgers, beer, and just a cool little area. So we're gonna stop out there. Let's go grab my dad. All right, we're getting ready to pull up to my dad's place. It's actually my sister's house, but my parents live there. I'm getting excited to see his face, see what he thinks, shit like that. And most of all, excited to just hang out with my dad. You know, we rarely do it, but guess what? Cars bring people together. They really do.
So cool.
No shit.
I think it's all the way back.
Is it? It's easier to get in than my car.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't put a hole in the seat.
Nope.
Oh.
All right.
See you later, baby.
Good? Huh?
Cool.
Yeah.
See you later, baby.
touchy until it gets warm.
Yeah.
But it's just an adjustment. I just got to take it in and out and have it adjusted. It's got a brand new clutch in it, so.
Does it?
Yeah, top speed on this thing is right under 200 miles an hour, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, as soon as thing comes in, Mom says, "Oh, that's a motorcycle." I said, "No, I don't think so." Fucking A. There's right back in the seat. And everybody turned their head.
Oh, it's crazy. Like, so many kids. Like, I was cleaning it last week. I didn't clean it today because I'm going to. Do you remember SlashX?
Yeah.
Just around tomorrow. I'm gonna head out that way.
Oh, okay.
We'll get a burger.
There's the back way.
Yeah, just take the back way behind the mountain, and then just go grab a burger, something like that. And anyways, I was cleaning it in the garage a couple weeks ago, and I look up and I look down the driveway, and there's two little kids with a bicycle just standing there staring. And I go, come up, you guys. I let them sit in the car, I let them start it, all that shit.
And
But
that just made their day.
Yeah, that was one of the reasons. Like I bought it to make a profit on the car.
Yeah.
Obviously, I bought it to enjoy it, but I also bought it so kids and everybody else can enjoy it. So like,
Yeah. Everybody's here.
so what'd you think
Fucking awesome.
so far?
Fucking awesome.
Awesome.
Fucking awesome. Look at that fucking motor. You know, you don't even think it's there. You know?
Yeah.
It's just, but it is.